to give you like cello, Casanova of the ghetto speaking vibe. Don't you have enough bowls? Nope.
No. And I'ma stand on that.
Okay.
And they can get in my DM. You can get in my DM all you want every day.
But honestly,
I don't hear what you believe. I don't hear what you believe.
respectfully. Oh,
Look at you been chewing on this before you came in.
because my other one is so big.
That's what she said.
You crazy as hell.
I know. Silhouette, if you will. One thing, my voice. Oh my gosh. Wait, will I get demonetized for this? Business. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, I don't even want to ramble too much in this intro because this haul is so good. Shirt and tie in full effect today because we standing on business. Business. It's very gloomy out today and I was almost not gonna film, but we got to get these hauls going because I'm so ready to decorate and share it with you guys. Today is all about texture and all the feels, some roughness, some rustic, in the rough. Perfect title. Let's hop in. First up.
Look at you been chewing on this shit before you came in.
Wait, will I get demonetized for this? Hopefully not. Because the nips, they're nipsing, okay? Y'all know that Skims bra that Kim Kardashian created to give you cello, Casanova of the ghetto speaking. Y'all know that Skims bra that Kim Kardashian created to give you like the perfect nipple situation? Yeah, she don't need that because wow. Now, if you've been following me for a while, or even any decor enthusiast in general, you'll remember the cracked torso RH dude. Everybody and their mama had that. I still have both of mine in cream and black, but I stored them away just because I got tired of seeing them. Like I said, everybody had it. I got tired of seeing it in everybody's house. So every time I walked past it, it was just not special anymore. But I didn't want to get rid of them. So like I said, I stored them away until later when I feel like a space needs it. But this, y'all, first of all, it's a female version, okay? Never seen it. I even Google lensed it, like took a picture and searched it in Google. One thing, my voice, oh my gosh. One thing popped up. I think it was an Etsy find somewhere in, I don't even know what country because I didn't know the currency. But like I said, I had never seen this before. I just love it. We love a good body yaddy. You guys know this. I do want to paint it though because the white is very stark. So I'm thinking about doing it maybe the color of this lime paint that I used back here. I just think she would be stunning in a darker, warmer tone. Now this wasn't from Homegoods, okay? This actually came from Ross. I don't usually just go into Ross and be like, hey, let's see what Ross has. No shade, no tea. I just don't. Usually when I go, it's because I'm at Homegoods and Ross is right there. So I'm like, oh, let's just mosey in there and see what they got. And this is what I found. She was only $20, which is insane. That is an amazing price. I don't care what nobody got to say about it. She had to come home, okay? And like I said, I'm gonna paint it. She's hollow in the back, so it's not super bulky or anything like that. And she's not too heavy either where it'll ruin my bookcases. So yeah, love her. So you guys know I love a good cool and warm cocktail. Oliver Gustave is always a good point of reference in my opinion. He uses a lot of grays, steel, silver, chrome, you name it. Some of the spaces he'll keep cooler and sometimes he'll warm it up with a good warm lighting situation or just warm pieces in general. So good. And the texture game goes crazy, okay? Whether it's a vessel or a sculpture, amazing. So when my little eye spied this guy,
What? Give me that shit back, man.
This is from Homegoods. It was only $60 and y'all, the texture on this, is this a joke? And it's surprisingly very light. I can put this on my bookcases without the shelves collapsing, that's just amazing to me, because I feel like sometimes I miss out on putting great pieces on my shelves because of course there's a weight limit. I don't have built-in ones. These are just IKEA Billy bookcases, which has a weight limit on each shelf. So this is amazing. I can't get over the texture. Like, of course I'm going to show you guys a close-up because I feel like my light is washing this out quite a bit. But like I said, this is just, I had to get it. The shape is impeccable. Like, it's still rough, but it still has like a classic silhouette, if you will, and it looks amazing paired with my sectional in my living room. You guys know I have a very cool toned gray sectional, and I don't plan on replacing that anytime soon, mainly because it's expensive and I want to. So like I said, this pairs very well with the tone of my couch in my living room, which you guys will see soon. I'm still tweaking some of the styling in there, and I still have to do my painting. It's a lot, but it's coming. So yeah, that's her, and we love it. Now, from judging all the hauls that I post, one would ask, don't you have enough bowls? Nope.
No. And I'ma stand on that. Okay. And they can get in my DM. You can get in my DM all you want every day.
Especially when it comes to the Papier-mâché collection. Y'all know I love a good smoky, rustic situation, and the Papier-mâché line that Homegoods carries, it just always satisfies. So I don't even know how many pieces I have at this point, but yeah. Don't judge me. Now, I've been eyeing this papier-mâché bowl that I saw on Off-White Palettes Instagram. If you guys don't know who I'm talking about, I'll put it up on the screen per usual. But I just thought this bowl is amazing. I love the texture. I love the shape. I love the shade. And I still might get that. But when I saw these, y'all, you get the shape on the top, and then of course you get 3 little feet to die. Now, I have the bigger version of this bowl, which you guys saw in my last bedroom refresh, which I'm actually going to be refreshing my bedroom again.
You crazy as hell.
I know, but it's just so fun for me. So yeah, so like I said, I have the bigger version of these, but since these are smaller, I can actually group them together better. So of course I got 2. I'll show you the details on the side. I just couldn't resist. They were only $25 a piece at Homegoods. What was that? Did somebody fall? My gosh. And because they're smaller, I can group them together better. I feel like because my other one is so big.
That's what she said.
If I had 3 of them, it would take up a lot of space, which is great unless I have a small little vignette that I'm trying to style. So having these smaller ones, I can put in my bookcases on top of books, and yeah, there's just so many options. So like I said, $25, Homegoods, amazing. Everyone loves a good Amazon find, and we got one coming right up. Like I said, and like you guys know, I love a good rustic and wabi piece, and this, baby, so good. Do y'all see that color variation? The shape? Stop playing with me. And the price wasn't too shabby either. Now, this was only $35. Like I said, it came from Amazon, and I don't feel like that's a bad price. Like, if I was to see this in a vintage shop or just a reseller in general, I feel like I'd be paying twice that, if not more. So florals, branches, solo, she's just amazing. And I don't even have to elaborate that much. She just does all the talking for herself. Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing. I'll link it for you. And last but not least, some won't understand. But honestly,
I don't hear what you believe. I don't hear what you believe.
Respectfully. So of course, this is an agate piece, and that's cute. But when you turn her around, do you see? Looks great to me. Now, like I was saying, this isn't everybody's zhuzh, okay? Some of y'all probably like, girl, what? And that's totally fine. I'll share some spaces with you guys that I love that use very natural and rustic elements to just give. I just love them. And I honestly needed some more smaller pieces that give that smoky, kind of fire forged vibe. I've been buying a lot of bowls and vessels lately, case in point, earlier, and that's great. but they don't always fit the space that I need to accessorize. So I love the size of this one. I can put it in my bookcases. I can put it on my nightstands, which you guys know are a little on the petite side. So yeah, y'all, oh my gosh, look how these coordinate. You see what I mean? This is from HomeGoods and it was only $25. Like I said, I know everybody isn't gonna understand, but she was it for me and I love it. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. So excited about these pieces, so excited to put them to use. Like I said, I've been buying a lot, so we have some more hauls before we get into like the decorating because it's just a lot. I have a really big Zara home haul coming. I'm just waiting for a few more pieces that are going to be coming in the next few days. So watch out for that one because that one is epic, okay? Like, if you follow me on Instagram, I give little sneak peeks, but yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourself, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.